Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 7 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition Test 2. Okay, so if you have not watched the previous chapters, so here look at the screen. You can go to the playlist section and also watch. Okay, so here fill in the blanks with the positive, comparative or superlative forms of the adverbs given in the brackets. Right. So here the first one, although she writes. Okay, so you have to write here well. Okay, well, you know, well, better, best, right? So well, you know, this is positive degree. Although she writes well in English, she writes better, right, in Bengali, right? So here you have to use better comparative degree, and the first one you have to use positive degree. The next here, Genia speaks, you know, politely. Okay, you know, politely, this is positive degree, politely to everyone, but she speaks more politely, right? More politely to the teachers. Okay, more politely, comparative degree. The next year, Jiten usually arrives you know, late. Okay, late, later, latest, you have to use your late, positive degree for meetings, but today he arrived, you know, latest. Okay, superlative degree. The next here, Joy never drove carefully. You know, here carefully is adjective is given. You need to use adverb. Okay, so here positive degree will be used. Carefully. Okay, carefully. Before last year he nearly. Okay, positive degree, nearly met with an accident. Since then he is driving more carefully. Right, more carefully. This is, you know, comparative degree. Clear? Then next year, complete the sentences with the correct prepositions, choosing from the options given below. So, you know, here don't go, dash the dog, it bites. Don't go near the dogs. Okay, third one. The next here, please be ready. Okay, 5 p.m. the car will come to fetch you. So, you know, here the third one, by. Okay, please be ready by 5 p.m. The next year, keep these books in the bags. You know, here the first one. Okay, in the bags. The next year, you can get off and near. You know, third one. Okay, off and near my, off the bus, near my house. The next year, I am studying. Okay, third one here, for the last 3 hours. The next year, we are driving in the city. You know, second one. Okay, the next year, we can divide the work. You know, there are two. Okay, comparison two. So here, you know, division is made between the two. Okay, so you have to use the third one. Okay, between. The next year, Ria's house is just dash the street, across. First one. Okay, across the street. The next year, I am proceeding to the park. Okay, first one. The next year, are you afraid of darkness? You know, first one here. Okay, the next here, underline the conjunctions in each of the sentences below and state whether they are subordinating or coordinating conjunctions. Right, so here the first one, Namita can perform. Okay, here Namita can perform better in exams if she works harder. You know, here if is subordinating conjunction, and you know, if she works better, this is, you know, subordinating clause or dependent clause, and Namita can perform better in exam, you know, this is main clause. Right, the next year, I am not sure whether I can meet you tomorrow. You know, here whether, this is subordinating conjunction, and whether I can meet you tomorrow, this is, you know, subordinating clause, and I am not sure, you know, this is main clause. Right, the next year, I ate my lunch early because I was hungry. You know, because, this is, you know, subordinating conjunction, and because I was hungry, you know, this is subordinating clause. I ate my lunch early, this is, you know, main clause. The next year, could you please send me an email after you receive the parcel? You know, here after, this is subordinating conjunction, and you know, after you receive the parcel, this is subordinating clause, and you know, could you please send me an email, this is, you know, main clause. Right, the next year, Dinesh waited for his friend but he could not turn up. You know, here but is coordinating conjunction, and but he did not turn up, you know, this is coordinating clause, and Dinesh waited for his friend, you know, this is main clause. Then next here we could have dinner before we board the train. So before, this is subordinating conjunction. Before we board the train, this is subordinating clause. We could have dinner, this is main clause. Okay. Then next here I was so tired that I went to bed early. So here so that. Okay, this is correlative subordinating conjunction, right? Okay, so this is subordinating conjunction. Then next here Ollie will call me when he reaches home. So when, this is subordinating conjunction, and Ollie will call me, this is main clause, and when he reaches home, this is subordinating clause, right? So in the previous question, if you want to know the two clauses, so there are two clauses. I was tired, I went to bed early. Okay, here two sentences are joined using the correlative conjunction. Okay, I was tired. Okay, here I was tired, one clause, and another clause I went to bed early, right? Then next here I can come to your place and help you pack your stuff. And this is a coordinating conjunction. So here I can come to your place, I can come to your place, this is main clause, and and help you pack your stuff, this is coordinating clause. Okay. Then next here unless Rita tells me her problem, I cannot help her. Here unless, this is subordinating conjunction. Unless Rita tells me her problem, this is subordinating clause. I cannot help her, this is main clause, right? Then next here make sentences as instructed. So now you have to form as an interrogative sentence, right? So interrogative two types. So you can form yes no as well as WH questions, right? So here look at the screen. This is an example of interrogative. Okay, shouldn't we obey the traffic rules? This is yes no. And if you want to form WH questions, you can also use WH words, right? Which is the longest river in Odisha, right? Then another question here, an exclamatory sentence. Okay, so here you can also write, what a fine singer Lata Mangeshkar is, what a ferocious animal lion is, right? Then next here a declarative sentence. So declarative also two types, positive declarative and negative. So here look at the screen, two examples are also provided, right? Here the positive, hard work crowns us with success. The negative you can also form here, I have not completed my task yet, right? Then next example here, a complex sentence. So now you have to form a complex sentence. Okay, so here just look at the screen. So here this is an example of complex sentence. Unless you work hard, you can't get through the examination, right? The next here a compound sentence. She is not only a singer but also a dancer. So this is an example of compound sentence. Then next an imperative sentence. Don't play with fire, right? So these are the examples. Clear? The remaining parts will be discussed in the next video. So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you.